Hello everyone. This tutorial video shows how to replace the light bulb in the oven. For the job, we need screwdriver, a wire cutter, and a stripper. The light bulb to be replaced. Make sure the switch is in the off status. Unplug the power cord. Open the oven lid. Find the bulb that needs to be replaced. Locate the wires we need to disassemble. Loosen the screw. And remove the wires. Do the same from other side. Loosen the screw. Hold the white end terminal. Then move it outward. The same on the left side. The bulb was removed. Pick up the new bulb. Put two tubes side by side. Cut off the excess wires. Measure the same length on the other side. Cut off the excess wires. At the end of the wire. 15 millimeters from the end. Use a stripper. Peel off the outer cover. Cut the excess wire at the same length. Align the white terminal with the buckle and press hard. Align the other end with the buckle. Pass the wire through from the bottom. And the original wiring. And wind them together. Insert it. Tighten the screw. Repeat the same operation on the right. And wind it around the original wire. Insert it. Tighten the screw. Connect the power. Turn on the switch. Check the bulb. The bulb turns red and generate heat. The replaced bulbs work normal. This tutorial is completed. Thank you.